How do you stop a swarm of drones without firing a single explosive shot? And more importantly, how do you do it without spending a fortune every time you pull the trigger? That's exactly the challenge Raytheon's Coyote Block 3 is designed to solve. In a recent U.S. Army test, this jet-powered drone didn't rely on missiles or warheads. Instead, it used electromagnetic energy to quietly knock multiple drones out of the sky. And if this technology lives up to its promise, it could completely change the economics of modern air defense. One of the biggest problems in today's battlefields is simple math. Drones are cheap, easy to build, and can be launched in swarms. On the other side, traditional air defense systems depend on explosive interceptors that can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars per shot. That's not just expensive, it's unsustainable. And when large numbers of drones attack at once, even advanced defenses can run into what's known as a magazine depth problem. In plain terms, you run out of missiles before the enemy runs out of drones. To tackle this growing threat, the U.S. Army recently tested its Low, Slow, Small Unmanned Aircraft Integrated Defeat System, or LIDS, at the Yuma Proving Grounds in Arizona. The goal was to validate the latest Coyote variant under realistic swarm conditions. Around 10 drones approached from different directions, challenging the system's Ku-band radar to detect and track them, while the Coyote had to identify targets, make engagement decisions, and neutralize threats. The Coyote platform itself has evolved significantly over time. The original version was a small electric-powered drone with pop-out wings designed mainly for reconnaissance missions. Then came Block 2, which transformed the platform into a jet-powered interceptor with control fins and a warhead, capable of destroying enemy drones through direct impact and explosion. Block 3 keeps the turbine-powered speed and performance of Block 2, but swaps out the explosive warhead for something far more innovative: an energy-based weapon. Instead of blowing itself up to destroy a target, this version is designed to survive the mission. After completing its engagement, it can actually be recovered by catching it in a net, refurbished, and sent back into action. While exact details remain classified, the weapon onboard is believed to be either a high-power microwave system or an advanced electronic warfare suite. A high-power microwave attack works by sending a focused burst of electromagnetic energy into a drone's electronics, overwhelming and frying its circuits almost instantly. Electronic warfare systems, on the other hand, disrupt communication and control signals, effectively scrambling the drone's ability to function. Either way, the result is the same. The hostile drone drops out of the sky without a dramatic explosion. What makes this especially significant is the miniaturization of these energy weapons. Similar technologies have been tested on larger ground-based or aircraft platforms, but fitting them into a compact jet-powered drone allows for close-range engagements where electromagnetic effects are even more effective. The Coyote has enough speed, range, and altitude capability to engage Group 2 and Group 3 drones, which are commonly used for surveillance and attack missions. Beyond its weapon system, the Coyote Block 3 is also part of a broader network. It can integrate into the Forward Area Air Defense Command and Control System and even communicate with other Coyotes in flight. That means multiple drones can coordinate autonomously, divide targets among themselves, and determine the most efficient way to handle a swarm, all with minimal human input. In some scenarios, they can even shape the engagement zone to deal with multiple threats simultaneously. When you look at the bigger picture, this isn't just about shooting down drones. It's about changing the cost equation of air defense. Instead of sacrificing a missile or an entire interceptor for every target, the Coyote Block 3 can loiter, engage, return, and be reused. The primary costs come down to fuel, batteries, and maintenance, rather than losing a valuable airframe each time. If drone swarms are going to be a defining feature of modern conflict, systems like the Coyote Block 3 could become essential. Quiet, reusable, and driven by invisible energy rather than explosives, it represents a shift towards smarter, more sustainable air defense. And this recent demonstration suggests that the future of counter-drone warfare may already be taking shape in the skies.